Hello everyone, so if you want to change the wallpaper on your iPhone 12 Pro, open up your settings. Now you're gonna scroll down to your wallpaper section. Here it is, and press add new wallpaper. So you can choose from one of the following wallpapers which are recommended by the system, right? Which are preset. There are a few types of them. You can add a live photo, a live wallpaper. For example, let's choose this kaleidoscope. Looks nice to me. When you're satisfied with your wallpaper, press add at the top right corner and choose where to set it. You can set it as a pair, or you can set it only on the home screen or lock screen. Let's set it as a wallpaper pair. And now, as you see, we have it on our screen. If you want to add up your custom ones, press settings, go back to your wallpapers, press add new wallpaper, choose photos, and choose the photo from the library, for example, this one. Alright, so you can see how will it look like. You can edit, you can enable some widgets on your lock screen. However, if you're satisfied with everything, press add and press set as wallpaper pair. Now, as you see, it was successfully added to our phone. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.